Welcome to our exciting mystery box unboxing video. Today we are going to show you the amazing surprises that await you when you order our mystery box for your Paola Reina or Ruby Red Siblies dolls. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. Each item has been carefully selected to ensure quality and style. While the actual items you receive may vary from what's shown in this video, we guarantee that they will be of equal or guaranteed value, providing you with an exciting surprise every time you order. Just look at this soft and fluffy head with cute bunny ears. It adds a touch of whimsy to any doll's outfit. Your siblings will look absolutely charming. Wow, look at this fantastic assortment of clothes. We have cozy sweaters, stylish cardigans, adorable animal-themed hats, fashionable footwear, lovely skirts, dresses and pinafores. The possibilities are endless. Adorned with delicate hand-embroidered daisy motifs, this cardigan is a true work of art, adding a touch of elegance and charm to your doll's ensemble. Just imagine the fun you will have mixing and matching these outfits to create the perfect look for your doll. From casual playdates to special occasions, these clothes will elevate your doll's fashion game. During special occasions such as Halloween, Easter, or Christmas, we go the extra mile to create a secret box with a festive touch. Whether it's a spooky themed box for Halloween or a box filled with holiday-inspired outfits for Christmas, we aim to make your celebrations even more magical and memorable. We strive to bring you something truly unique every time. We understand that each doll deserves a wardrobe that stands out from the rest. That's why we carefully curate our mystery boxes to ensure a delightful surprise with every order. Our mystery box is not only a great way to expand your doll's wardrobe, but also a fantastic value. In our store, the minimum cost for 3 clothing items is $62, while the maximum value can reach more than $74. However, with our mystery box, you can get these amazing outfits just for $49.99. So why wait? Treat yourself or surprise someone special with our mystery box today. Unleash your creativity and let your doll shine in these fabulous clothes. See you!